My bike jack. I have the premium death trap frame. Yeah. Alright. I have a fit shift fork, Eastern nitrous front wheel, Kenda contact tire, the G Sport hub guard, Shadow Little 1 peg in the front and back, fit DLD stem, Eastern Wonder Years, fly ribbon grips, and barns, Sabrosa seat post, the Shadow seat, Eastern Medusa V2 light sprocket and 23 tooth, stock cranks, the Odyssey twisted metallic pedals, KMC chain. I have a Alienation Rush V2 free coaster with the Primo spokes laced to a Shadow stun rim with the Animal GLH in the back. I have a profile bottom bracket, yeah, and FBM hub guard back here. So that's my bike.